Here we go, little alleyway. Got some cool things down there. Now, where my little dog is that barks at me. Trying to be quiet so he won't tell. Look ahead a little bit. Kind of hard to see. I'll try to zoom. It just doesn't have much of a zoom. Got us a little bird up ahead. He is definitely a small bird, or I'm far away. He's not a small bird. I'm just far away. Maggie's Bridge is still up above us. This water here is probably at least 8 foot deep or more. There goes our little bird flying. And I think you can hear our little dog in the background barking at us. So we're going to get up a little bit further with all this and see what's up with that.